Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the iPhone 14 Pro on day one of its release. Let's go ahead and get a look at the box. So I did go ahead and bring in the iPhone 14 box so you can see that the only thing that's really different about it is the notch has become this little punch-out design instead. Okay, so for the most part, this box is pretty much identical to the 14 box. The foil will be the color of your phone. And we got dark purple for this one. So that's what the foil is. But the rest of the box is pretty much identical. All right, let's go ahead and open this box. All right. Wow, this dark purple is actually really nice. We had a hard time deciding which one to get, but this dark purple in person is way better than the picture showed. It's heavy. It's much heavier than the 14. Let's go ahead and get the 14 to compare it side by side. Okay, so it kind of looks the same size. I think it might be, with the exception of the camera. So we got the buttons in all the same places. The only difference being that camera. And wow, that camera island is way bigger on the Pro than the regular. Of course, we got all the same buttons here, and no SIM card slot because it no longer supports the SIM. Let's go ahead and remove this. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn this on so we can compare how the punch out looks in comparison. Like from here, you can only see the camera and that, so it kind of looks like the rumored pill and punch out design. But I believe the whole island fills up, yeah, like that. So that would be the real difference you will see on the front. The notch is mostly gone. They're getting somewhere. All right, let's go ahead and see what else is in the rest of the box. We have charging cord, which is USB-C and Lightning. And in here, where the SIM card ejector used to be, we now have this piece of paper saying you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. There's a link here if you need more help. All right, basic iPhone instructions here. And then the Apple sticker. And that seems to be the entire unboxing there. So I'm sure there's specifications on Apple's website, but this phone feels like half the weight of this phone. This phone is super heavy in comparison. It's got to be this massive camera here. With a 48 megapixel sensor that they've put into the Pro line this year. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our iPhone 14 Pro unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.